Hey guys, this is Sumaya. Contact forms are one mandatory feature that you should add to your website. It helps you collect information about your site visitors, which could be potential leads for you. So, how do you add one to your WordPress site? Well, in this video, let's see how you can add a contact form to your WordPress site. For this, let's choose WP plugin. It is one among the most downloaded plugin and also it is having a 5-star rating. So, to integrate WP Forms with your WordPress site, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on the plugins option that you see on the sidebar and then click on the add new button. Here I'm going to search for a plugin, so let's type in WP Forms. So this is the plugin. Let's install it and then activate it. Here on the sidebar, you can see there is a new option called WP Form. And also here you can start creating a new form, and also there is a descriptive guide. You can either choose to create your form from here, or you could go to the WP Forms and create a new form by clicking on this add new option. Okay, let's begin by giving a name for the form. Here I'm going to give a name, fine, and then you can choose a template form from here. You can choose from blank forms, simple contact forms, newsletter forms, and suggestion forms. Or you could buy more templates by clicking on this option which you see right here. And also you can create custom forms by clicking here. For the moment, I'm going to choose a template from these options. Okay, let's go with simple contact form. So click on it. Here you can see there are some fields by default. You can edit each field in the form by clicking on it. And when clicked on, you can see some more cool options here, like you can change its labels, its format, or add a new description. Let's change the label name to full name and let the format as it is. Let's edit the next field, which is email. You can give a description if you want, like enter your email ID, and that will be shown here. And also in the advanced section that you see right here, you can change the field size like this. Next, let's enter a placeholder text and it will be shown inside the field. And in the advanced option, you can enter placeholders and enter default values. Also, you can use this option to hide the labels and sublabels. Coming back to this section, you can make copies of the fields that you have created and also delete them if required. Also, you can add new fields to your contact forms from here by just dragging and dropping it. Here you can see the fields are categorized as standard, fancy, and payment fields. You can add new fields by just dragging and dropping like this. And then you can do further editing just as we did before. That's all about the fields. And now here you can see a setting option. And when clicked on this settings option, you can see there are some basic settings that can be easily managed. For example, in the general settings, you can edit the form name or the submit button or the processing text. And here in the notification settings, if you enable the notification settings, you will be notified whenever a contact form is submitted. Here you can enter your email details. And here in the confirmation section, you can enter the message that you want to display to the user whenever a user submits a contact form. And in the paid versions of WP Forms, you can use these options such as marketing and payment tools. Now let's go back to the dashboard and to view the forms that you have created, go to the WP Forms and then click on the View Forms. Here you can view the forms that you have created. Now we need to insert this form to a page. So you need to create a new page for this. So let's go to the page option that you see on the sidebar and then click on the add new page. Okay, let's give a name for this page. For example, here I'm going to give contact us form. Okay, now to add the form to the page, click on this plus icon that you see right here and then search for WP Forms. Here you can see WP Forms. Now select it and now you need to choose the form that you want to insert to the page. Now that's done and now click on the publish page option. Okay, now the page is published. Now let's view the page. Here we go. This is how you can add a contact form to your WordPress website. Besides the page, you can also add the contact form to the sidebar or menu of your website. For this, let's go back to our dashboard and then click on the appearance option that you see right here and then click on the widgets. Now here you can see the options that are displayed in the sidebar, and as you scroll down you can see WP Forms right here. To add WP Forms to the sidebar, you can just drag and drop it to here. Okay, now let's give a title for the form and also choose the form that you want to display. Okay, now let's click on the save button and then click the done button. Now that's done. Now let's go check it in our website. Here it is. Now you can easily collect the data from your website visitors. So that's how you add a contact form in your WordPress website using WP Forms. Thank you.